If you are considering building raised garden beds out of alternative materials such as plywood and OSB, the good news is it is possible, and they might even last longer than you expect with some modifications. I built these two 3 by 8 foot raised beds just over a year ago, and you can see the long sides are out of OSB and plywood. They are still here right now because of two repairs. The first one being that they need additional support in the middle. The long sides here will start bowing out and cause cracking through the soil, which is bad for the root system of whatever it is you're trying to grow. Along with repair number two, this 6 mil plastic that you see lining the beds right here. Anything exposed will crack with sun exposure, but everything inside the bed is protecting the water that you're putting in the soil, and so it doesn't seep into the wood. Interesting to note, when we took the sides off to repair these beds, the plywood was actually holding way more moisture than the OSB was. But still, you don't want whatever's in this board to seep into the soil. And you're also making the beds last longer. You certainly don't want to put so much effort into something that's just going to disintegrate within a month. Do I want or expect these beds to last forever? Absolutely not. But if you put these two repairs into your build plan, you don't have to worry about this, and your beds will last a very long time. How long? We'll find out together. I'll definitely keep you updated on how well this goes, but we're into year 2 now. Use what you have, be smart about what it is that you are putting together so that it lasts longer. If you're curious about either of those repairs, you can check out the middle post in this video, or you can look at the plastic in this one. Best of luck on your build.